Hello, I'm Nick Poulin, and today we're going to be taking a closer look at a very rare Collier Flintlock Revolving Shotgun. Elisha Collier of Boston, Mass. And his partner Artemis Wheeler devised this flintlock mechanism around 1814. It was a true revolver, not a multi-barrel type action. Wheeler continued its manufacture in America with limited success, and Collier took this invention to England, where it was patented in 1818 and produced by some of the top gunmakers in London, including Knock and Mortimer. From patent use numbers, it is estimated that only around 225 Collier pistols and long guns were made. Urban legend relates that Samuel Colt saw weapons of this type, and they were an inspiration for his famous revolving pistols and rifles. The mechanism has a 5-shot revolving fluted cylinder that must be pulled to the rear and revolved by hand for each subsequent shot. The gas seal is very good, with the rear portion of the barrel rebated to engage a matching cylinder recess. The flintlock, with reinforced cock, has a powder magazine in a very thick frizzen. With the gun at full cock, the cylinder can be rotated. Closing the frizzen causes a linking mechanism to rotate a drum which picks up powder from a reservoir and deposits it in the pan. When the frizzen flies forward, the drum rotates to close off the magazine and refills the drum for the next shot. This extraordinary action carries a 28-inch Damascus barrel with a full-length underrib holding 2 plain pipes for a rosewood ramrod with a brass tip and tail. The Collier London address is engraved on the concave solid rib. The lock and mechanism are finely engraved with large scrolls within feathered borders. The lock with the exterior mounted reinforced cock is engraved Collier with the 117 patent. The frizzen is also engraved with the Collier 117 patent on the powder reservoir, and the trigger guard has a stand of arms engraving on the bow that has a curled tail. The stock of nicely crotch-figured European walnut features an iron butt plate with an engraved long top tang, a flat top square checkering at the grip, and an inlaid silver 8-point star on the left side with a silver rectangle with cut corners on top of the grip. A truly interesting American invention that was produced by some of the top English makers of the time. If you like this video and want to learn more about interesting collectible early antique firearms, then visit our website at poulinauctions.com. And as always, don't forget to like and subscribe, stay safe, and send it downrange.